It's a very loud tool. It's very intimidating, but once you become committed to it, just like everything else, can become second nature over time.
It's really new for me since I haven't really ever handled chainsaws. It's different when you're in the class, learning about it, and then when you're actually out here and you have the saw in your hands and you're like, whoa, this is a lot harder than it looks.
Terminology, safe usage, PPE use, how to maintain the safest work environment possible when operating a chainsaw.
Learn the different parts of it, learn why these parts are significant to it, and how to maintenance it, because you need to maintenance your saw so it works correctly. The different cuts and why you would want to do those cuts and how it, helps you move the tree a certain way. I wanted to make sure I had clear escape routes because you don't ever want to have to cross behind the tree after you make that back cut.
Learning to mitigate those hazards. And that's something that S212 course teaches very thoroughly.
We have 3 supervisors out here helping us, and also we do have some experienced sawyers with us. So it's really nice to be able to ask them, and they kind of give you tips.
So then your tooth is pivoting?
They'll be required to take down trees of a certain diameter, and the cuts will have to be made very nice and clean.
My first time doing a slash cut and falling a tree, so that was really cool. It wasn't as complicated as I thought it would be. You definitely feel like you're helping more when you're doing the chainsaw. I wanted to, learn more so that I can do more.
Pretty close to flush.
It's nice to learn new things and then share it with other people.
I've been only running it for about a year now. I'm no expert, but slowly I'm getting better and better. And I've gotten to the point that I'm confident enough in my skills where I can help others learn the basics too.